Hi guys, how to find live streams on YouTube. Now go to the search bar at the top of YouTube and type in a game, topic, or keyword you want to watch, e.g. Minecraft, Roblox, or chatting. Be specific with your search terms to get the best results. On a computer, click on the filters option located at the top right of the search results page. Here's a common mistake. People often miss this button because it blends into the background. Scroll down and look under the features section, and then this is where all the special content filters like live 4K and 3D are located. Select the live option from the filter list. This instantly reloads your page to exclusively show broadcasters who are streaming live at that exact moment. Pro tip, you can also combine this with the sort by filter to find streams with the most viewers first. Browse through the live options and click on any stream to join the community, interact in the live chat, and watch the content unfold in real time.